And we're heading straight to the Camry. So ito yung Camry, right? Oh, may dadaan lang. And papasok agad tayo inside para makita nyo. Alright? Pero pakita muna natin yung front. So it's a neo-classic look, wedge car design. Yeah. Let's go inside. So this is how it looks, and this is how it looks sa control panel niya sa driver side. So meron tayong memory seat here. So merong setting 1 and setting 2. So ito yung pang set. Alright. So ito, may pang adjust pa rin ng side mirror. So ito yung design niya, analog design. Alright. So meron dito retract and fold ng side mirror, central lock and control panel for the windows, central lock ng windows. Right? So ayan, meron siyang brown accent. Leather siya, leather design to ah. Yan yung brown, and also this one is leather. Ayan. So meron tayong speaker here. Yan. Meron tayong side pocket here para sa dalawang bottles. And nakita niyo yung power seat adjust. So yan yung pag-start ko nung vehicle is nag-engage na automatically yung setting ng seats. Kung ano yung sinet mo na seat, yun ang automatically nag-engage. So ito naman ang design ng speedometer niya. Yan. So fully digital yan, pero analog design lang siya. Right? So dito sa side, okay, dami natin makikita. Ito is pang level ng headlight. So for example, yung headlight nakatutok siyang ganyan. Pwede mo siya i-adjust kung saan nakatutok yung headlight. Alright? So ito naman, auto high beam, one of the safety feature. Yan, kapag may sumalubong sa yung kotse na naka high beam, automatically siyang low beam para hindi magbanggaan yung ilaw niyong dalawa. So this one is the traction. Ito naman yung 360 camera view. Ito naman is yung pang dim nitong multi-information display. So yan, nakikita nyo nag-a-adjust yung ano niya, nagdi-dim or brighten. So ito yung pinipress ko nun. Yan. So ito naman is yung sa window. Alright, yung mga shade. Ito yung pang-open ng trunk sa likod, compartment. Ito yung pang-open ng gas. Then dito meron tayong pang-open ng hood sa ilalim. Alright, yan. So ito naman ang design ng steering wheel niya. Hinaan ko lang yung light. Alright. So dito meron tayong cursor to navigate the multi-information display. So yan. Ito yung cursor mo para ma-navigate mo yan. So ito yung back button. Ito yung pang-answer ng call. Right? Ito naman is yung volume. Okay. Then this one is para sa voice command. Then dito naman isang pang-skip. Right? Tapos ito naman yung cruise control niya. Okay. Then ito yung mode. Usually ito mode na to.
Huh? Dear IFM. Dear IFM.
Ayan, tumulog na yung stereo. So itong mode na to, ito shortcut key to para dito sa stereo mo. Alright? So ito yung volume control, hininaan ko siya. So then, ayan. So ito naman ang function yan is para mas nakafocus ka sa road versus na ginagalaw-galaw mo to while driving. Alright? So let's move here. Okay, adjust ko lang yung lights. So ito yung design ng sa aircon niya. So kamukha niya halos yung Prado. Right? So ito off, front defogger, rear defogger. So meron tayong ventilation para sa mga seats. Yan. Okay, may cooling system to yung upuan niya. So ito synchronized ng temperature, air circulation. Yan. So ito naman para ma-on yung lamig or i-off. Pag in-off mo yan, parang electric fan lang ang purpose niya. Alright? So, ito yung hazard button natin. Yan yung design. Ito yung aircon vent. Of course, push button to. Siyempre, Camry to. So, dito under, meron tayong wireless charger. Then, meron tayong dalawang USB, Type-C, sorry. Type-C under. Then, meron tayong USB. Pero Type-C rin siya for the connectivity ng phone nyo. For example, the Android or the Apple CarPlay. So here at the shift knob portion side, so this is how the design of the shift knob. Then, yan, natakpan lang. There's the park, reverse, neutral, drive, and the plus minus. So meron tong paddle shift. To go in the paddle shift, you have to, of course, set that here at the sports mode. Then meron tayong paddle shifter here. Kita nyo? Yan. So there. That's the plus minus. And meron tayo nakakala ilaw Yan. Meron tayong eco mode, normal, and sport. So of course, ito, ayan, para summary lang natin. The summary for the eco is magtitipid to sa gas, lalong-lalo na ayan, especially for traffic, for urban areas. Normal, of course, yun, from the word itself, normal na nga. Then sport, dito sa sport, syempre, of course, mas aggressive yung engine dyan. So yan, pang mabilisan yan. So meron tayong brake hold assist. Yung brake hold assist, para ka naka-automatic handbrake dyan. Just by i-hold mo lang yung brake ng mas matagal, then automatically naka-handbrake ka na nun. Then just press on the gas, the accelerator, mawawala na automatically yung handbrake mo and aandar ka na. So yan. So dito meron tayong electronic vehicle mode. So pwede mo itong i-full electric, but still hindi papayag tong vehicle na maging full electric if mababa yung battery level mo. So ito yung handbrake, electronic parking. This is the electronic handbrake. Alright. So meron tayong dalawang cup holder here. Then yan, merong pocket. Then of course, ito yung pocket niya sa side. Ang laki niya. So ito yung kamay ko pasok ko Yan So merong power supply here sa side. Okay, ang ganda. Then ayan, malaki siya, spacious siya. Yan. So leather design to This is leather design. Alright. So ang ganda ng pagka brown accent even at the second row. Yan. So let's check the glove box. Ayan yung design ng glove box niya. I hope you can see it. Yan. Okay. Then aircon vent. Of course, same goes at the other side. Then dito tayo sa headliner. Yan. Meron tayong mirror, of course. Ganda. Then ito kapag binubuksan mo to, bubukas tong light. Yan. Just in case merong magme-makeup. And then, teka, check natin sa driver side. Yun, nakita nyo to, sample na to. So naka-open yung lid, then it means open din yung light. So nakabukas yung light kasi nakabukas tong cover. Right? So dito na tayo sa yan. So meron tong panoramic view. Alright? Yan, nandito yung mga function ng light. Yan. Yan. Yun. Alright? Kasi ito door function. Yan. Ayan. It means kasi pag nakabukas na door, of course, alam nyo na yan. Yan. Then, ito yung pang-open dito sa roof niya. And so yan, nag-open yan. Right? Yan, maganda dyan. Then, move tayo ngayon sa second row. So, dito, ang itsura is this one. So, may isang control for the window. Yan, door function. Meron tayong dalawang cup holder. Okay? Meron tayong dalawang cup holder. Then, ayan. Merong aircon vent here, Ayan. Then, meron dalawang Type-C under para pwede tayo mag-charge. Then, ayan yung design ng second row aircon vent niya. Then meron tayong lagayan ng files of course dito sa likod ng mga seats. Okay. So yan, naka-plastic pa to bago kasi to eh. Ayan, ganda. So, classic look. Brown, light brown leather design. Alright. Ganda. The finale. Ikutan naman natin yung unit. So, going back to this neoclassic wedge Camry. Ganda. So yan, meron tayong front sensor here of course. Yan, mga safety sensors yan, and here goes the fog lights. Yan. So yan, meron tayong 4 na sensor. Yan. So mga safety sensor yan, especially kapag yan nagpa-park kayo. And meron yan pre-collision sensor hidden there. Hidden here. Yan. Ang ganda, ang lapad ng hood niya, sobra. Wow. Sobrang swabe. So this is the design ng mags. Yan. Ooh, nice. So what's the size of this mags? So ang size nito is 18. Yeah. So yan, two-tone design yan It's Bridgestone. So we got here the badge for the hybrid. So yan, para kitang-kita ng mga traffic enforcer na hybrid ang gamit nyo. So right now, wala tong coding. So here's the look. Yan, pagkakababa mo lang ng kotse. Wow! So going here sa side mirror. And meron tayong turning signal light here. Very ano lang siya. Maliit lang yung design niya. Then meron tayong 360 camera here of course. So ito ingatan natin to sa side mirror natin dahil meron tong 360 camera. And of course, meron din yung 360 camera in front. It's located here. Yan. Ganda. So ito, may pagka-honeycomb design ang grills niya. Right? See? So of course, hindi mawawala tong smart entry na to for the Camry. Yan. Oh, yan. So nag-lock siya when I touch it. So nag-fold tong side mirror. Alright. So yan, meron pa rin tong classic key entry just in case malobat yung susi nyo. So yan, ganda, meron tong chrome accent design para sa mas eleganteng design. So yan, titong tito. Yan, boss amo. Yan. So this design sa likod naman is yan, napaka-elegante. Ang lapad niya actually malapad to in person. Yan. Yan. Malapad to sa actual. So ito makikita nyo, meron pa rin of course backing sonar, 4 na backing sonars. Yan. Then meron tayong yan, reflectors on both sides. Then the HEV badge. And of course, this is the backing camera. Kita nyo? Sorry yeah. Whoa! So yan naka-shark fin siya. Of course. So yeah, ito, nagbumukha siyang black top. Of course, syempre meron tayong panoramic view dito. Yan, sa ceiling. So, of course, syempre pa rin, 4 na disc brake to. This one is disc brake. So, as of this August 2025, the price of this one is 2,677,000. So, yan kontakin nyo ako. Usually, I leave my number here. Niiwan ko naman madalas yung number ko lagi dito sa mga vlogs ko. So, contact me. I have Viber, WhatsApp. Meron tayong trade-in, of course. Most brands tinatanggap namin for trade-in. So, yan. Ganda. Solid Camry. So guys, if you want to view this this Camry, of course, set tayo ng appointment and I have to check, of course, yung inventory kung meron tayong unit. So, hindi every month merong available niyan, ha? Kontakin nyo ako. Bye!